What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing stuff. We're going to hike.
Oh yeah, that's the best intro I've ever heard.
Yeah. I know, we're going to be recording hiking. Yeah, here we are. My mom can see what I'm doing when I upload this. Okay, we're hiking. Hope this gets views. Here's Duffy and here's say your name.
Previous Pen 101 here.
Oh my.
Yeah, guys, just so you know, that's not my accent.
Yeah. He has a better voice.
Right now.
Yeah, that's right. No, it's video when I upload it. She can. Oh God, dude.
Guys, do you subscribe to my channel?
Dude, why does it smell? Why does it smell terrible over here?
Dude, this is gross. It's a poop down.
What? Previous Pen. What do you gotta say to the viewers?
Subscribe to my channel and don't do anything else. Guys, let's try and reach 1 million subscribers.
That's never gonna
I
happen.
have a pizza party.
That's never. Dude, greatest way to celebrate 1 million subscribers.
I'm never gonna have it.
Me neither. Unless,
I do.
dude, also, you can do this hack to get 1 million. Dude,
What?
we're hiking. Also, you don't know, but it's me, X-Bro-Nuts, and you can probably see. Yeah, I know to edit. I know to add music and stuff. Dude, no! Dude, you're gonna get bit by snakes!
Yes.
That's not how you say it. Should I? Oh, dude, look at that tide pool arena thing. Oh wait, Duffy was the one who gave this, had this idea. Oh. This can give you like so many sprinters. Okay, let's go back. Oh, we did it?
Well, guys, I guess that was a short video.
No, we're not gonna end it here, Duffy. I mean,
Guys, this is a bullet. That's
Yeah.
a round. It's a shotgun round.
dude, run! Dude,
It's not a shotgun round.
look at that.
Dude. I have 2 bullets in my hand. Look. There's a huge one and then there's a little one.
Alright, let's go! Dude, there must be killers out here! Run! Dude, killer clowns! Killer clowns! Josh! They have to be killer clowns!
Nah,
Oh my god!
killer clowns are only in Las Vegas.
And also they're here. Las Vegas is in California.
It's in Nevada.
I mean, it's in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Nevada.
Hollywood too.
In Nevada.
LA? I went to LA for a show. And it was in Hollywood.
You were in a show.
No, I wasn't. I watched it. Okay, let's run. Click. Oh my god, that was a pretty insane sighting. No, do not. Oh, dude. Dude. Oh, wait, what if it's from the firemen?
No, I doubt. Firemen don't have guns.
Yeah, they do.
Don't they have an ambulance and a fire? That's police.
Well, if you look inside of that ambulance. Okay, this is pretty scary, man.
There's murder. Okay.
I know, I've never been to the end. I actually have for a future.
Dude, my friend's seen one.
Guys, this is an insane find.
Oh, I should probably name my video going hiking W/previous pen 101. No, I should do going hiking. We found a shotgun round. Dude, that was pretty scary, man. Oh my god. But anyways, goodbye everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video. That was a pretty scary video. Man, look at that. Wait, show it to the viewers. Show the whole entire thing. Oh my god. Okay.
Still a little shiny.
You never put that down. It's pretty dirty. Okay. Goodbye everyone. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to my channel.
Previous pen 101.
Let's go.
Peace, boys.